Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to add three-digit numbers. So a three-digit number plus a three-digit number. Now a digit is telling us, it's helping us make sense around place value. And so 3 digits means that we have a number in the hundreds place value, in the tens, and in the ones. And when we're adding three-digit numbers, really the big idea that we want to keep in mind is that when we make a group of 10, okay, 10 or more, then we're going to move to the left of the place value that we start in. So if we're starting in the ones place value and our digits add up to a number that's greater than 10, we like to say we carry the 1, or that 1 is going to go into the column next door, which is your tens place value. And every time you move one place value to the right, it's 10 times greater. And so that's why we'll say carry the 1 or carry the 2. And so today really is just a review on adding those digits and finding the sum of three-digit numbers. So we're going to do a few examples together, and then I'll have a bonus question, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's go ahead and get into it. We are adding three-digit numbers and we're going to find the sum, and we're going to start here with number 1. We have 365 plus 174, and so remember, place value is what matters most when we are adding, and really this is just review to remind us about regrouping. Each place value, we're starting in the ones. To move over to the right another place value, it's always 10 times greater. And so whenever we reach 10, that's when we carry the 1. And so 5 plus 4 gives us 9 to start. Then we have 6 plus 7 gives us 13. I carry the 1 because that is a group of 10 and 3. And then I have 3 plus 1 plus 1 would give me 5. So my answer is 539. Let's go ahead and look at number 2. We have 254 plus 182. And so we start in our ones place value. We have 4 plus 2. And 4 plus 2 gives us 6. 5 plus 8, so the way I think of it is 8 is a group of 5 and 3, so 5 and 5 makes 10. It's my friendly number, and then I have 3 more, so 13. So 3, and then I carry the 1, right? And then we have 2 plus 1 gives us 5, and so our answer is 536. All right, why don't you go ahead and try it? You're going to do number 3, 542 plus 385. Make sure to leave your answer in the comments section below. Today we learned how to add three-digit numbers, and really our lesson for today is just a quick review. I like to call it fluency practice. It's something that we want to be fluent in, and the way we do that is just by practicing it repeatedly, and that helps us to just build consistency with our work and our mental computation as we're adding. And the worksheet that we did today is straight out of our Summer Before 5th Grade workbook, where you have a fluency practice or some learning that you had gained in 4th grade that you want to practice before you start 5th grade. And that fluency practice will really help to establish those learnings over the course of the year. And the workbook goes over a different piece of content every day. And if you would like to check that out, I have it linked in the description for you. Thanks for learning with me today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next lesson.